Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Visible Wireless and how it actually is now that I've used it as my main carrier for a little bit over a month now, going on almost second month. So let's go ahead and see how it is. And my personal thought, this is going to be the most honest opinion. Nobody's paying me to make this video. Visible Wireless doesn't know I'm making this video. They don't pay me to do this. Like I say, this is brutal honesty on this carrier. It's $25 a month. Really, really too good to be true. You're about to find out. So I'll tell you the truth. And a quick disclaimer, guys. This will differ from person to person. And really, well, I would say more from, well, yeah, person to person, because, you know, they might have different expectations. And also, this will vary a lot by location, congestion, the area you're at. Some areas, you know, just location overall. So let's get to it. This is, like I said, my personal opinion. So you might think something else. Like I said, overall, Visible Wireless is good company, but let me tell you the downfalls, the red flags, and like I said, now that I've been using it on an iPhone 13 Pro, Visible Wireless, now for, like I said, about a month or so, you're about to find out. So before we continue, guys, let me tell you about our supporter, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension. You'll see them right there on the right side of the screen. They already popped up. It's on my web browser. It's totally free. If you have Google Chrome, it's a free web extension. Find your best promo codes on popular shopping websites. Any website really, Amazon, Best Buy, Boost Mobile, Visible, you name it. You can see you also get rewards. And remember, $1,000 or 1,000 gold is good for $10 US. So I'll go ahead and activate that. If I purchase anything through them, I will get you know, points or gold coins, honey coins, and I can redeem it. I've redeemed over $100 so far. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So as you can see, we're on Visible Wireless's website, and we'll talk about it a little bit. Like I said, I've used many carriers before. I've used plenty of carriers, most of them actually. I've had, you know, Verizon postpaid account, prepaid, you know, Straight Talk, Total Wireless, you know, US Cellular, T-Mobile, Sprint, Boost, all of them. I've had all of them. So let's get into it. It says wireless that gets better with friends. Unlimited data as low as $25 a month, guys. Yeah, you heard that. Unlimited data. Powered by Verizon. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The big V, the big red guy, the big red giant, Verizon. So good, you'll want to share with a friend. Do that, and you both will get a month for $5. That is true. That is 100%. It does work, and so does $25 a month. I'll explain how that works. So, but my friend did refer me. He has Visible Wireless. He's the one that actually referred me to them. Like I said, I've done videos with them previously, but I've never actually used the service as my main carrier. So now that I'm like I said, I've used it quite a bit. So I'll tell you about that. So, but $5 a month, that is not bad. I cannot complain for my first month, guys. Visible Wireless is $40 unlimited without any discounts. That's $40 unlimited talk, text, data. You get unlimited hotspot. It's capped at like 5 megabits per second, but it is unlimited, so it's pretty cool. Disclaimer there. So like I said, I'll talk to you about how to get your monthly bill for $25 a month. But remember, the $5 is just to refer you. So I will have a referral link in the description below, guys. If you want to use that link, you can use it to get your first month for $5. Try it out. It's not bad. So you can bring your own phone or you can buy a new one. So let's get into buying a new one. Here are the phones. You can finance them through Visible. That's one thing I do like about them. It's done through a firm. Another cool thing is they do have promotions. It says, yeah, we've got phones. Shop the latest phones below and get up to $200 to spend at one of your favorite online retailers when you bring your number. Did we mention you'll also get unlimited data powered by Verizon? So, like I said, it's a big, bold statement. I'm telling you the truth. They do, as you can see, have the iPhone 13 Pro. This is what I got. You can finance it per month. It's $41 a month if you want. The Pro Max is $45 a month. Like I said, here's the prices of the phones and the promotions. Right now, you can get a HomePod Mini for free, guys, if you get an iPhone 13, and you can also get a $200 virtual gift card. How that's done is you have to pay 3 full months of service with them before you can actually get this $200 card. So it's pretty cool. You can, so basically the 4 steps is you have to join Visible. The second step is you have to transfer your number from one of these eligible carriers. I'll show you real quick. Like I said, sorry if this video is going to be a little long, but here's all the carriers that it qualifies for it. And then 4, set up your SIM and activate, and after 3 months, you will receive an email with the code for a virtual gift. So pretty cool. But like I said, let me just show you quickly some of the phones. They do have the newest iPhones, the 12s. Of course, they do have Galaxies, which is pretty cool. As you can see, here's the Galaxies. I actually have this phone as well. I have a video about it. I actually was trying to look for it, but I think I misplaced it. But like I said, here to go. Really, really good selection. A lot of these prepaid carriers don't have a good selection. They even have pre-owned. But let's get back to the topic of this video. So it says, how does Visible work? Become a member. Of course, you can sign up by bringing your own number. It takes literally 15 minutes. So what's cool about them is they do support eSIM, guys. That's pretty cool. Like I said, a lot of prepaid carriers do not offer that, but Visible Wireless does. Really, really nice, unlimited data and everything as well. Second is experience the network. Like I said, you'll activate the eSIM or Visible SIM card. It looks just like this one. I actually still have mine. As you can see, there it is. So it's pretty sweet. And then 4, explore ways to save by doing $25 a month. Join a party or bring a friend for $5 a month. You can do that 12 times a year. So here's the big plan. Like I said, it does go for 40. It says that's why our standard plan gives you all the bells and whistles. They only actually have one plan, guys. They don't have multiple plans like a lot of prepaid carriers. They just have one, and it's $40 a month. You can get it as low as $25 a month through Party Pay. You have to have at least 4 people to join a party, guys. What that means is, what's cool about that too, guys, is let me show you. And they don't have to be people. So 1 line is 40, 2 lines is 35, 3 lines is 30, and 4 lines is $25 a month. What's cool about Party Pay, without reading everything, I'm gonna explain everything to you, is you just have to get invited to a group. So pretend you're doing a dungeon raid or something like that in a game. I don't know, let's say World of Warcraft. I used to play that a lot. And then I invite you, and then you invite a friend, and then you invite a stranger that you don't even know, and then they invite a stranger they don't know. As long as it's 4 people in a group, guys, you will be able to get that discount. Now, what's cool is everybody pays their own plan. So if Joe over here does not pay his bill, but as long as he's still in the party, you guys will get the discount. Now, if he drops off, now you only have 3 lines. You can add as many lines as you want. It just has to be at least 4 or more. So, like I said, I can send you an invite. You can join the party. Doesn't matter. I don't even know you. You don't know me. It's still, you will get the discount. That's what's cool. Versus traditional family plans, you know, if one person doesn't pay the bill, all the lines get cut off. That's what's cool about it. I do like it. Really cool. They do have nice concepts on everything. It's just, I don't think it's executed that well. So really good. I like Party Pay. You get unlimited. With Visible, it does include 5G as well, guys. So 5G is unlimited talk, text, and data. You do get Verizon 5G as long as that's available in your area. So my phone does pick up 5G. I'll talk to you about that in just 1 second, guys. I know I'm not trying to make this video that long, but it's just so much information I need to get out to you, and this is my personal opinion. I just want to tell you, hey, this is the good stuff, and let me tell you bad stuff. So you do get unlimited everything, no fees or anything, no hidden fees, unlimited everything. Calling and texting to Canada and Mexico is included at no extra cost. All the hotspot you can handle. It's unlimited. It's capped, like I said, at 5 megabits. There it is. Speeds are capped at 5 megabits per second, limited to 1 device connection. So that's 2 things. You can only connect to 1 device, and speeds are capped at 5 megabits per second. And of course, you do get 24-hour human assistant through a chat. If they don't have a number, you cannot call them. So, and that chat is not the best, I'll tell you that. You have to wait. There's a wait of maybe 20 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes. Just depends on how many people are on it. But overall, like I said, I cannot complain on their plans and everything. It's pretty good. Now they do also have watch plans. That's another cool thing. For only $5 a month, you can get, if you have a Apple Watch, you can either buy one through them, or you can bring your own and you can get cellular data on it. That's another cool thing. Like I said, Visible Wireless, their concept is really nice. Of course, it got you covered with 99% of the population is covered by Verizon. So it's pretty cool. So now let me tell you, oh my God, I'm already at 10 minutes, guys. I'm so sorry. Let me tell you. So I decided to sign up with Visible Wireless because of the cost. So I used to have a postpaid plan. It used to be just a lot of money. So they did get me with incentives. I got the 13 Pro. So I really have had it about less than a month, but I've used Visible Wireless before. And I thought maybe that was before 5G. Now that I have 5G, I want to try it. So that's why I'm saying I've had Visible Wireless and used them a lot more before. They do have 5G, and that's what I want to test it here in my house. I get 5G sometimes, but outside I do get it. So I'm like, let me go ahead and try it out. Sorry, spam call. So I'm like, let me go ahead and try it out. It's not bad. My friend gave me a referral link for $5 a month. Plus, I got a HomePod Mini, and if I stick with them a couple more, like another month or another 2 months, really 2-3 months, whatever it is, I'll get a $200 virtual prepaid card for like Amazon or whatever I want. So it's pretty cool. So some good incentives. And of course, then the phone gets unlocked. It's another incentive that I like. I tried it out. I put the SIM card in. Let me tell you, in my house, guys, speeds are horrible. And this is the same thing that I had when I didn't have a 5G device. Speeds are horrible. Why? Because I live in rural America. Not really rural. It's like 10 minutes away from a big city here. But how it works is, the whole reason Visible kind of sucks, guys, is because you're deprioritized. You do not have any priority at all. You're in the bottom of the barrel. You're a bottom feeder. Verizon postpaid, you're way up here. Then you have a thing Verizon prepaid, and then an MVNO, and then I think Visible Wireless is on the bottom totem pole. So sometimes even when I'm dead middle of town, guys, where there's full bars 5G, man, you will get 0.32 megabits per second, maybe 1 megabit per second, 2 megabits per second. If that, I can probably pull up speed tests here and show you guys, but it's pretty bad, honestly. Let me see. Results. Yep, here's results. So I'll show you some results here. As you can see, guys, I get 0.29, 2, 3, 6, 7. Sometimes I do get decent ones depending on the area. Like here we go. When I got 5G, guys, it was 382 megabits per second. Sometimes I'll get 133. It just really depends. 105, 67, 2.98, 0.29. Sometimes it won't even load. Like in my house, sometimes it won't even load and think I got Wi-Fi. Now you might be saying, wow, that's amazing speeds. But guys, even if that's amazing speeds, the ping is so high. The latency is so high. I swear you have like satellite internet. It lags up. Sometimes when you're trying to watch a video, it takes a minute for it to even load, and it buffers. Even if you're having 600 megabits per second, well, I'm saying 600. Let's say even if you have 100, 50, 200, the latency is so bad that you can't even play games on this thing. So if you're trying to play like a game on your phone and the latency is that bad, or the ping, you probably want to be on Wi-Fi, guys. Like I said, sometimes it's even hard to send a message. If I want to send you an iMessage, sometimes it takes forever. It's just loading, and then it goes through. That's my big issue with Visible is, one, the speed priority is really, really low. Like I said, your speeds are going to be a big either hit or miss. Now, one thing I must say is, because it's under Verizon, the call quality is amazing. Don't have drop calls. Versus my previous carrier, I had drop calls here and there. Straight up no service. With Visible Wireless, you might have 1 or 2 bars or 3 bars, versus some areas might not have any service, but the internet might not be there at all. But at least I can make calls. If if my tower blows out in the middle of nowhere, I can make a call, versus my other carrier, I might not. So I said, basically, sorry I made this video so long, but basically just remember, Visible Wireless is unlimited for $25 a month if you get a party of 4. It is true unlimited data, so it's cool, but if you can't use it, really, it kind of sucks. Remember, your speeds are going to suffer. A lot of people, if you look it up on forums, so they will say that their internet sucks. You will get 1, maybe 2 megabits per second if you're lucky. But sometimes, like say, you'll see where you can get 300 or so. So it really depends. And then the ping. So that's my big issue. Is it's almost like the internet is useless for me. But yeah, sorry, the video ended, so I had to restart it. But yeah, guys, that's like I said, my main issue is the internet is pretty useless to me in my area. Like I said, it depends where you're at. Maybe in your city, there's less Verizon users, but here where I'm at, mainly Verizon is the only carrier that really works real good. Of course, other carriers work better. It's just, they don't have the full coverage that Verizon does. Would I use Verizon or Visible Wireless again? Probably not. Like I said, maybe in the future if they get better. I know they released the cap because their speeds used to be capped at like 5 megabits per second. Your speed, like even if you had 5G full bars next to a tower, it didn't matter. It was capped. Now it's uncapped, which is good. But like I said, it's just, to me, the ping is really high. Latency, the speeds vary. Either you're gonna have really good speeds or really fast or slow. And remember, video streaming is capped at 480p, so you can only watch videos in 40p. My wife was complaining to me about that she was trying to look at some recipe videos, I don't know, and she could barely see or read the words. She has a 13 Pro Max, so that's on her. Like I said, to me, I think it's okay. We're mainly on Wi-Fi. But like I said, currently I'm looking for other carriers. Maybe once Visible Wireless does something of giving you priority data, maybe if I even spend $10 more at $50 a month or $35 a month with Party Pay, I would definitely pay to have priority data, at least 10 gigs or 20 gigs. So that's my take on it. So like I said, it's totally different by person, situation, and location and everything. But that's my honest opinion. Is, like I said, it's $25 a month for Visible Wireless. Too good to be true. For me, it is a little bit, but I cannot complain. I mean, it's $25 a month. You might be saying, wow, it's only $25 a month. You're right. At 40, I would definitely hesitate, but $25, I can't complain too much. But for the type of business that I have and work and social life and, this and that, I need a little bit faster data. So I'm looking at 2 other carriers, which actually I'm using right now on my kind of testing phone. So we'll make another video about that. Let me know in the comments below, do you like these type of videos? Sorry if I made it too long, but I like to explain everything. And, sorry I didn't get to the point. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare signing off. And let me know more stuff. So thank you.